mic and a rhythm, let me blow up. Straight to the block, that's how me link up. Man like freak, contagious. Brighter star to make me get famous. No, I X-link me pan a rhythm.
See.
Reaction.
Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, and we're back in effect with another video for you guys. Now, right now, we're touchdown in Grenada. We have a female artist for y'all today. Her name is Tynee. Song called The Return. Official music video produced by Noah X. Shout out to Noah X. It's me. I say shout out to the entire Grenada team. It's me. Shout out to Brighter Star. Shout out to Contagious. Shout out to Taxi. Shout out to G Ras. Shout out to the whole of them, yeah, man. Shout out to everybody, yeah, man. Then we go for the side and say shout out to JB Studio. Shout out to the whole of Grenada. Shout out to the whole Caribbean right now. Shout out to you watching my video right now. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. Comment to see your comment next video that I post. And I want you guys to go follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. I'm trying to reach 10,000 followers on Instagram. I'm currently 2,200 away. You feel me? So Tyrekevlogs is right here. Go follow me. Run tune!
Yeah.
Return.
Hold up, let me get my sneakers on. Step to the street just like an icon. Is the mic on? Check, 1, 2. My watch is right and depend on.
Yeah.
No, I'm vengeance, Miss a Vengeance. I'm coming back with a vengeance. Songbirds carry songs to my entrance.
So science call her return. That means she disappeared for a minute. So she follow back now if you come take over the place basically. Put up her song then no man. Bikes roll out,
Yeah.
I roll out.
Hold up, let me get my sneakers on. Step to the street just like an icon.
Okay.
Is the mic on? Check, 1, 2. My watch is right and depend on. No, I'm vengeance, Miss a Vengeance. I'm coming back with a vengeance.
Yeah.
Songbirds carry song to my entrance.
Yeah.
No, I'm killing the flow, making my dough. Hold up, let me stand up. Get a cup for a drink, then it's turn up. Get a mic and a rhythm, let me blow up. Straight to the block, that's how me link up. Man like freak, contagious. Brighter star to make me get famous. No, I X-link me pan a rhythm.
See it there. I didn't have to big them up, you know. She done do it in her song. She done do it in her song already. I didn't have to do it. But big up to them again. Pull up a song some more there. So she's a rapper still, you feel me? She's a rapper still. I'm like it. She understand her. So the clarity there. Go on.
Let me stand up, get a cup for a drink, then it's turn up.
Yeah.
Get a mic and a rhythm, let me blow up.
Give her a
Straight
mic
to
and
the
a
block,
rhythm.
that's how me.
Give her a mic and a rhythm, make she blow up. Like what she's doing right now. As you just know, link to the original song will be down below in the description of this video. If you want to go read for yourself, please go do so. Run tune.
Link up, man like freak, contagious. Brighter star to make me get famous. No, I X-link me pan a rhythm. No, I'm killing this bitch like my victim. The return is my victory move. Head way up high, I'm a victory move. Can't see my style, I'm a victory move. Up, I'm a victory move. The return is my victory move. Head way up high, I'm a victory move. Can't see my style, I'm a victory move. Up, I'm a victory move. Hear the bass through your speaker. Bad man one here to the Twitter. Take a picture.
Back I turn the wrong way too. I deal with the world, so mama. I deal with the world brawling. Me love it. Me like it. It's a good look. Tynee, go on in good.
Them ask me what's that? Watch that, baby, it's Snapchat.
Yeah.
Hold the mic, let me snap that.
Yeah.
It's Tynee on the smart track.
Yeah.
Many style me know, so me no watch that.
Yeah.
Versatile, so me not take no back chat.
Yeah.
No limit to the sky like
Yeah.
me. Like me, let me get high real quick.
Alright,
Lyrically filled up, talented. Make sure my song right on point like this. Like this, music a flow through my vein.
Oh my gosh, she bad, people. If I'm lying, I'm dying, and you're watching the video right now, which is mean I am not dying. So she bad. Pull up, look a bit there. I like the scenery too. I like that video clean. They show the views. Me, I say we actually get like, it's like we get a tour of Guyana. Remember, so when I live in Guyana, I'm not from Guyana. Grenada. I mix up things bumbleclay. I'm not from Grenada. You see me, I say. So watching this video, I show me what go on the beauty. You see me, the coconut tree and the sexy girls, them on the bike, them and they know the roll out. Go on now.
Like me, let me get high real quick. Lyrically filled up, talented. Make sure my song right on point like this. Like this.
Lyrically filled up, talented. Make sure my song right on point like this. But I love it.
Music a flow through my vein. Mash up the place, go insane. Mash up the place, mash up the place. The return is my victory move. Head way up high, I'm a victory move. Can't see my style, I'm a victory move. Up, 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 I'm a victory move. The return is my victory move. Head way up high, I'm a victory move. Can't see my style, I'm a victory move. Up, 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 I'm a victory move.
So go look Tynee. Welcome back. You done with Chopper Radiation Boss was just here representing for you. You feel me? And the link to the original song will be down below in the description of this video. Go give her a check. Or check her out for yourself. You see me? Go comment some fine emojis on there so make sure you know the Reaction Boss send you over there. So right now, I'm currently in Florida, by the way. You feel me? We're just stacking up on the reaction. So I'm gonna finish packing right now. Big up for yourself. See you all next week. You're done with Chop Go. Yes. Let's see. I have 10 videos to edit and post, Jano. Anyways, my God, peace.